Welcome back to ByteBuzz Innovations, where we dive deep into the world of innovation, sustainability, and technology. If you're passionate about making a difference and staying ahead of the curve, you're in the right place. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content today. We're exploring an incredible innovation that's taking sustainability to the next level. The Eco Pioneer 2. This remarkable piece of technology is more than just a product. It's a statement about what's possible when creativity and environmental responsibility come together. So, buckle up as we take a closer look at what makes the Eco Pioneer 2 a game-changer in the ecotech world. First, let's break down what the Eco Pioneer 2 is all about. Designed with the modern eco-conscious individual in mind, this device offers cutting-edge solutions to everyday environmental challenges. Whether it's reducing energy consumption, minimizing waste, or promoting sustainable living practices, the Eco Pioneer 2 has it all. The heart of the Eco Pioneer 2 lies in its innovative features. One standout is its ability to harness renewable energy in ways that are both efficient and accessible. Imagine a device that seamlessly integrates solar and wind power to provide energy solutions on the go. That's exactly what the Eco Pioneer 2 does. It's compact, portable, and designed for a variety of uses. From outdoor adventures to emergency preparedness, what sets the Eco Pioneer 2 apart is its smart energy management system. This system optimizes energy usage, ensuring that no power is wasted. For instance, if you're using it to charge your devices, the Eco Pioneer 2 automatically adjusts the energy output based on the specific needs of each device. This not only maximizes efficiency but also extends the lifespan of the device itself. Another feature worth mentioning is its built-in water filtration system. Yes, you heard that right. This device doesn't just stop at energy solutions. It's equipped with advanced filtration technology that allows you to purify water from natural sources. Whether you're camping, hiking, or simply in a location where clean water isn't readily available, the Eco Pioneer 2 has you covered. The filtration system removes impurities, bacteria, and even microplastics, ensuring safe drinking water wherever you are. Now, let's talk about its user-friendly design. The creators of the Eco Pioneer 2 clearly understand that technology should be accessible to everyone. That's why they've included an intuitive interface that's easy to navigate, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. The touchscreen display provides real-time updates on energy levels, water filtration status, and more. Plus, the device is lightweight and built to withstand tough conditions, making it perfect for outdoor enthusiasts and urban dwellers alike. One of the most exciting aspects of the Eco Pioneer 2 is its potential to make a real impact on our planet. By providing a reliable source of renewable energy and clean water, this device empowers individuals to live more sustainably. Imagine the difference it could make if more people adopted technology like this. Reduced reliance on single-use plastics, lower carbon footprints, and greater access to essential resources. These are just a few of the benefits, and let's not forget about its role in disaster relief and humanitarian efforts. In situations where resources are scarce, the Eco Pioneer 2 could be a lifeline. Its ability to generate energy and purify water makes it an invaluable tool for communities in need. Whether it's a natural disaster or a remote location without infrastructure, this device has the potential to save lives. Of course, no product is perfect, and it's important to consider some of the limitations of the Eco Pioneer 2. For example, while it's highly efficient, its energy output may not be sufficient for powering larger appliances or equipment. It's designed for smaller-scale needs, which makes it ideal for personal use but less suitable for industrial applications. Additionally, the initial investment might be a barrier for some, although the long-term savings and environmental benefits could outweigh the upfront cost. Another consideration is the availability of replacement parts and maintenance. Since this is a high-tech device, keeping it in optimal condition may require specific components that aren't readily available in all regions. However, the company behind the Eco Pioneer 2 has stated that they're committed to providing comprehensive customer support and ensuring that users have access to everything they need to keep their devices running smoothly. Now, let's hear what users are saying about the Eco Pioneer 2. We've come across numerous testimonials from individuals who've incorporated this device into their daily lives. Many praise its versatility and reliability, particularly in off-grid situations. Outdoor enthusiasts have highlighted how it enhances their adventures by providing essential resources without adding extra weight to their gear. Meanwhile, eco-conscious consumers appreciate its ability to reduce waste and promote sustainable practices. One user shared their experience using the Eco Pioneer 2 during a week-long camping trip. They mentioned how the device not only kept their phones and other gadgets charged, but also provided clean drinking water throughout the trip. Another user, who lives in a region prone to power outages, described how the Eco Pioneer 2 has become an essential part of their emergency preparedness kit. Stories like these illustrate the real-world impact of this innovative device. As we look to the future, it's clear that innovations like the Eco Pioneer 2 will play a crucial role in shaping a more sustainable world. This device is more than just a product. It's a symbol of what's possible when we prioritize the environment and invest in eco-friendly technology. By supporting and adopting such innovations, we can all contribute to a healthier planet for future generations. Oh, what do you think about the Eco Pioneer 2? Is it a device you could see yourself using? Or perhaps you have other eco-tech favorites that you'd like us to explore in future videos. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We're always excited to hear from you and learn about the ways you're making a difference. That wraps up today's video. If you found this content valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to ByteBuzz Innovations and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay curious and stay eco-friendly.